CTM Stock, Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Castellum stock is sitting at 43 cents right now. Post market, it's actually even higher. It is 28% down, which is a lot. It's mainly kind of this break here that actually happened. Context, I've done 33,000 videos and I've seen this happen thousands of times. You might think like I'm exaggerating, but these types of trends, bro, happening almost every single day. I mean, I was like, don't get me wrong, I was expecting for like a retracement, and that was like a perfect approach for me, but still it needs to give me that proper double break in order for me to take things higher. If it gives me that, cool. If it doesn't give me that, then, you know, it's also cool. I will just not start forcing stuff, you know, start forcing trades or stuff like that. So that's how CTM looks like. In the meantime, all I'm going to do is I'll just start waiting, and that's approximately it. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.